Hello. Welcome to our live stream at Shanghai Safe Energy Tech Corporation, and our product is vacuum induction melting furnace. If you are looking for vacuum induction melting furnace, you can have a look at our products. And Milestone seal is used between the rotating electrode and the furnace body, which has good sealing performance and easy rotation. It's equipped with water cooler with under voltage and water cutoff alarm, which is safe and reliable to use optional. IGBT power supplies adapted with over temperature and water cut protection alarm, output current display and other functions. High purity graphite crucible, silicon carbide, magnesium oxide, aluminum, zirconia crucible can be used.